Keefe D, who's accused of ordering the 1996 hit of Tupac Shakur, appeared in court Thursday for an arraignment hearing. He pleaded not guilty to the murder charge against him for killing Pac.
Yeah, he pleaded not guilty.
He does not look like his normal self right now, baby.
No,
I used to see this for like in a velour sweatshirt.
Like a homeless
when
man.
the record that Mr. Davis is present in custody. Mr. Davis does not have an attorney, Mr. Palau, and Mr. Jack
Makes you look
here on
homeless,
behalf
bro.
of the state. Mr. Davis, have you been able to retain the services?
This is what
of
doing
counsel?
stupid ass interviews get you.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Dummy.
so I'm going to need to appoint an
telling.
attorney to represent you today. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so based upon, it's my understanding the public defender's office is not.
Your Honor, may I approach on that?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Royal and Mr. Campbell, it's my understanding you guys are able to confirm as counsel today?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, have you had a moment to speak with Mr. Davis about an arraignment?
We did, Your Honor, this morning.
Okay, are you prepared to go forward with the arraignment?
Yes, today, Mr.
Okay,
Davis.
before we get to that, we have one thing. Are you guys taking this to death review?
We are not.
And, okay, the state is not seeking going to death review on this, so are you prepared?
Yes.
Okay?
Excuse me,
Yes, Mr.
what does
Davis?
that mean?
I'm asking, in every murder case where this,
You're
in
dumb,
every
bro.
first degree murder case, I have to ask the state if they are going to commit to a committee to try to seek the death penalty. I just asked them that and they said no.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay, so in light of that, Mr. Davis, sir, what is your full name?
Dwayne Keefe Davis.
How old are you?
I'm 60.
How far did you go to school?
I did like a year in college.
Okay, do you, I'm sorry, what was the last thing you said?
UCLA?
Do you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, are you currently under the influence of any drugs, medication, or alcoholic beverages at this time?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand the proceedings that are happening here today?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, are you familiar with the one charge that you're
Damn.
facing?
He looks older though.
Do
Like
you
he got like
understand
open
that
hair.
Nigga, that's jail.
That's
Jail
that
make
charge.
you look
Have
like
you
a
pleaded
homeless
guilty or
man.
not guilty?
Not guilty.
Sir, you have the right to have a jury trial set within 60
I mean,
days. Would you like to?
Could have shaved and
This case
shit.
is gonna have a status check trial setting and
He old as
Department 2,
fuck, though.
that date is.
Or a dye like his hair black he gets.
Dye
your
your
ass
hair
up. You
black,
can't dye your hair,
yo.
Joe.
Bro, stop.
Yes, sir.
Does that have an effect, like the way you dress your hearing?
I mean, they say it's not supposed to, but
He
I
could have
think
chose
so.
to have a suit brought in for him and shit if he has a lawyer. If he don't got no lawyer, then that's how you're gonna look. Nah, even with a public defender, you could have got the suit sent in. You know what I'm saying?
He changed where though? When to bring it in?
You change it the back.
in the
he's
back,
not-
nigga.
He's not in no trial or anything.
Oh,
yet,
that's
you know what I'm
valid.
saying?
That's
So
valid. Yeah,
arraignment-
yeah,
Once
yeah.
you get, he's just
This is
at a
arraignment.
little
That's some trial
hearing, little
shit.
pre-trial
You're
shit,
very
yeah,
right,
to see
yeah.
if they even if he wants to take it to trial
That's a
or
good call.
anything like that. Then he can go ahead and get in a suit.
Yeah, this
Highly
definitely
valid.
just the arraignment. You right.
Yeah,
Hairs.
he gonna be in them CCD,
But
them Clark
basically,
County
what would have
detention center
happened
blues.
is they would have gave the clothes to the lawyer would have gave the clothes to the jailer would have searched the clothes thoroughly. Then he would have been right there in the back wherever the fuck he was.
They
They
let him
would
change.
let him change, and then he would have came out.
See, rest of look. So now and him getting a public defender is kind of like why, but in two though, and in Young Dolph's case, the dude called Straight Drop got a public defender, and his public defender like was named like a top 100 lawyer, right?
Fire.
And in the South, right?
That's
right,
called, nigga, a blessing, sir.
right.
'Cause
So
shit
like kind
that
of like
don't happen.
right, and like apparently though like the dude like kind of like does like these cases like just to you know like give back, right? So like he has like his own firm and shit, right? So maybe he can get as lucky as Straight Drop got and get one of those power attorneys, as like his lawyer.
Right. I would hope so, sir.
Dude, let me ask y'all: do y'all really feel like he did this shit? Like he really had
Yes.
involvement, like how he say he did?
I
in these
did like
interviews?
I watched the whole little like documentary and shit from like one of the police officer perspectives. He did that shit, nigga. From allegedly from their
100%.
perspective, nigga. Like they got this nigga. He said it like it's tapes of him in the interrogation room saying he did the shit, nigga, describing it, saying how they knew it was Tupac because some bitches pulled up on the side and was like, oh my God, it's Pac. So they knew it was them, and they was like, if them bitches would have never said nothing, he would have got away. Like the nigga told all on himself. I was listening to the audio. The nigga told everything, nigga. Everything. It ain't even no alleged. It ain't like a nigga saying something we don't. He said it.
He said
He
it.
said he did it, nigga.
Right.
It's audio. He described it very well, nigga. He's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking idiot. For sure, for sure.
Hey man, I just hope that
And they
everybody
had
like
the
is
two
justice.
bitches too. They had the two bitches in the shit. Now they're like older ladies, but they had the two ladies who was screaming Tupac, Tupac.
Yeah.
They had them in the documentary and shit too. Like that.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah, like yeah.
Imagine finding out that your mama like was a groupie.
Thank you. That's the first thing I said.
That's
the first
crazy.
thing I said.
That's crazy.
I said, wow, my mom would be
Man,
a
nigga,
It's
Tupac
gotta
groupie
be
whore.
fucked up if your mama landed on one of them Freaknik tapes from back in the day. Freaknik
I'd
Atlanta.
be sick.
That would
boy.
be nasty.
nigga.
Boy.